Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcash on Web Tech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to get a job through LinkedIn or how you can use LinkedIn to get the job. Okay, so I'm going to show you. I'm going to cover the some points that you need to fill up in your LinkedIn profile, or you have to take care of while you're searching the job. So let's start with the video, guys. Before you starting, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So here I'm going to talk about the your profile SEO, or you can say your profile. So first you have to log in with your LinkedIn and just go to your profile view. Okay, this is your profile page, and here you have to take care some things. Okay, so first you have to complete your all profile details by clicking on here, and in ad section you have to fill up, you have to add everything, like you have to add your skill, you have to add your position, education, and additional you can add your projects or honors and awards from here. Okay, so after you complete all details, you have to take out your profile photo. Your profile photo should be very professional. Don't use your Instagram or Facebook photo here. Use the professional photos. And the cover photo is so important, you have to use a professional cover photo, or you can use the by default photos from you know uh, uh, LinkedIn. So I just delete my this photo. You can see this is by default cover photo. It's also look like professional. You can use this or use your professional photos in your profile photo now, and select complete all details, add language and all. And second thing, you have to add the your open to work frame if you are searching the job in LinkedIn. So how you can add? Just click on your profile photo, go to the add frame, and here you have to add the open to work. Just apply it. Okay, so after apply you have to use the video title. You can add your job title, or you can add another job title. Also delete your existing job title, and add the job title which you want to searching. Okay, the workplace you can select as per your requirement. Job location you have to select. You can add job location, and you can also make it immediately active applying. So here you can see the two options. You can start immediately, or you may be flexible casual browsing. Yeah, you can make, if you want to actively, if you are actively applying searching the job, you have to click on it because it is actively applying the job. Okay, okay, set the full time, whatever part time you need, and just click on this arrow, and here you can see the three options. Choose who see your open. Okay, so you can also make the some privacy or setting that only recruiter can only view your see can only see that you are open to work, not your recruiter or other people's company. So if you want to set only HR peoples can see you are open to work, so you can just click on only recruiter, or this option for recruiter and others people, so you can make it as a recruiter and just add to the profile. Okay, so this frame will be add to your profile page, and it is very important when you actively searching the job in LinkedIn. Okay, so let me add this. Okay, so it is add. You can turn on the email update. If you want to email update for jobs and message, you can turn on it, or just off it if you want, and just click on no next. Okay, so your open to work frame will be add here. Uh, just i have just i refresh it to show you. Okay, here I actually did not add because I cancel it in last moment. So you can, I think, let me check, it is refreshing now. You can see it is added now. The this thing you have to mention here, open to work. And another thing you need to take care about, your talk about. So this is like hashtag of your profile. It is very important to get into search. Okay, when people HRs or companies searching the candidate in LinkedIn, so this is very important to you to get in the search, HR search. Okay, so how you can add this? Just go to the resource tab here and go to the creator mode. You have to on this. Okay, then if you're first time click on creator hub, there is a one top up that they need to access. Then just click on OK, then this window will be open. Now here you have to use the up to 5 hashtag, or you can say topic which is relevant to your job profile and your skill. Okay, just use up to 5. topics and click on done. Okay, so it will be add to your talk about and hashtags. So second, next very important things that you have to add your skill in your LinkedIn profile. So here you have to add the skill. If you don't find this option here, so you have to go in this add a profile section and go to the core first option. Under the core option you can see the add skill. Under the add skill also you have to add your skill, your related your job profile and your work. So you can search the add skill from here, or you can add, okay, you can add the your suggested add skill, or you can add another by searching, like I just like video editor, so it will be add here. You can add this suggested also. Okay, and just click save after you add the your skill. Okay, this is done. Now come to the job section. In job section, when you search anything in search, so if I search like video editor, okay, I just the video editor and click the, and location is also very important. Let me show you. So I just use the location, this one, Texas, United States. Okay, I think I come back by mistakenly. Let me go in job again. Yeah, you can see I just search this video marketer in Texas, United States. So here you have to check the your preferable job, and you have to read the description and all, and then you can apply from here. Sometime it should it have to apply from your from the company page, but you can apply from here. Okay, you can also go to the company page. Okay, let me open the company page. And this is a company page from where the this job has been posted. You can apply from here. Before you apply, you can talk to the HR directly, so they can directly talk to you and give the more information about job, or maybe they ask you to send the directly resume. So how you can find the HR? Go to the people. Okay, so here you can find all people working with this company. Okay, so here you can see the where they live. You can find the location also, and people you may know. You can see this is HR recruiter at the Calendar Relief Service. He's a HR. Okay, so you can contact him directly, or you can send the mail or message. If you're using premium, then you can directly mail him. Okay, you can also search employee by title and keywords. If I type HR, so okay, let me check HR recruiter and hit the enter. So all HR will become here. You can see. Okay, talent acquisition for case. You can talk to him, talk these people directly. Just click on talk about. Okay, and now you have to create a search alert, sorry, your job search alert. You can set the job search alert for this designation and location. So in future the same location job in come in LinkedIn. So the LinkedIn will be give the notification to you that the same job has been posted, new job has been posted, so you can check out. Okay, so you have to set the alert for every location, every keywords or designation you use. Okay, you can save the job here, and you can apply directly from here. So now I will show you how you can check the your save job, apply job. Just go to the your job tab, just click on job tab, and here you can see the my job, and under here you can see your save job, your apply job, your this is your save job, and this is your applied job. Okay, this save job, apply job. So you can find out the which job you have applied and which job you have saved. So come to the home page again. So you have to upload your last option I am going to cover, that you need to upload your updated resume one time, that this resume will be applied for every application. Okay, so come to the setting and find your resume, partner account management, site preference. Okay, come to the data privacy. So under data privacy you have to go in job seeking preference, and under the job seeking preference you have to go to the job application setting. Just click on it, and here you can find out all your applied job and your resume which you have used for while applying the job. Here you can see you save and manage your resume to answer. So you can upload here from your upload your updated resume from here one time, so it will be used for every applications. Or you can delete your duplicate resume from here, so just keep one resume here and it will be apply for every job applications. So you can always change your answer when you apply. Okay, save and manage your resume and answer. Okay. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.